Second graders, today is Friday, April 26th, 2020. Today is going to be the last day we are going to be practicing our multiplication facts, and then on Monday we will be starting fractions. So you should have your sheet of paper in front of you still of all of your count bys, because I added 2 new multiplication games, and then I left on the 2 multiplication games from yesterday that you can continue to practice those facts as well. I would like you to play and listen to a couple of these songs. Okay, you don't have to do all of them, but play a couple. Practice your count bys, so put up a finger and count bys, your 3s, your 4s, 6, 7, 8s, and 9s. Once you have finished that, you can play a couple of multiplication games. One is car rush multiplication. So if I open it up, X out of that, and X out of that, I'm going to hit start, play, and I'm going to do level 1, 8 times 9. Here's a hard one. So I need to look at my multiplication facts, 8 times 9, and I'm going to count by 9 8 times. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. Since I have that in front of me, it helps me out. 5 times 10, or 5 times 2, 5, 10. 9 times 7, oh, that's a big one again, so I'm going to count by 9 7 times. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. Whoops. 2 times 2 is 4, and then I'm going to keep going. Then your other option is quick flash multiplication. X out of these 2 things again, click on quick play. And I'm going to click starting level. I want you to start at 1, and then you can go back and always build yourself up level. So I'm going to start at 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Try to go for speed on these basic ones is 8. I can click on the number with my mouse, or I can click on the numbers up at the top. It goes quicker if I click up on the top versus dragging my mouse. Try to go for speed on these. Then once you've mastered that level, I can go back and I can try another level. Click to play, and now I'm going to try level 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 6, 4, 18, 12. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 0 is 0. Okay, and then it's going to keep practicing because it wants me to practice for that speed. Then if I want to, I can go back and I can go up to level 3 and keep practicing. It's going to get harder, obviously, with each level. So today, you're watching a couple of these videos, putting up in each finger every time you count by your count bys, and then you can practice your multiplication games. Okay, I left Frogtastic and the penalty kicks on there too. You can practice those as well. All right, have fun with math today. Next Monday, we're going to be starting fractions. So make sure you're practicing these count bys when you can.